The YouTube channel we are going so far, life has Dominic awesomeness.
What?
So we have to big it up same way.
Suppose so after all, this is the platform. Yes.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 7. So people, today Grizzle I got up on radio. I mean probably, well, Michelle probably update in a long time until no probably by creating a post. But he's going to be on what one here? Riddim FM. It's in line with the company Mellow FM. So I record it and see how best we can get as much as possible. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hi, welcome to Teachers Rollout. What is your name?
Ordained wisdom.
Hello, King O'Dane. How are you today?
I'm good.
As you should. And which school you rep for?
I represent the Hillside Primary and Infant School in Islington, St. Mary.
No, like how you emphasize on the V, like you said, Rannae, a big school, you know. V. So because of the entire Hillside Primary, Islington in the building once more aboard your afternoon vibes for sure. Who you want to big up today, King O'Dane?
Well, first and foremost, we have to give thanks to Father God for every opportunity. And mommy, daddy, the whole family.
Yes.
Friend them, you know.
Yes.
And you don't know, we have a little YouTube channel we are going so far, life has Dominic awesomeness.
What?
So we have to big it up same way.
Suppose so after all, this is the platform. Yes.
Yeah, man, you know.
Anybody else you want to big up?
Well, you know, family, friends, grandma, grandpa,
Yes.
everybody don't know themselves already.
But you not leave out yourself though, because you know so you have to big up yourself too. Come no man.
Yeah, for real.
Come no man.
Can't live out yourself, for sure.
Leave out yourself. So a bag of love to you too. And before we even go to your songs, as I've said to Sasha and many teachers, thank you for all you do. Thank you for all you've done. And thank you for all you continue to, because sometimes being a teacher is a thankless job. You know what I'm talking about? Fully.
Yeah, fully.
So, sure. Like how the party is all about you two, you know. Which two song you want?
Well, my first choice is Romeo and Virgo, Rich in Love.
Tune, yeah.
And the second one is Maestro Dan, Senorita.
We got you. And guess what, O'Dane? $1,000 credit. You get it. O'Dane, no, O'Dane sounds surprised. O'Dane say, How you feel about that?
Feel good, you know?
Good. Yes, man. $1,000 credit shall be sent to you because you are aboard the Teachers Crew. And thank you for coming through. The songs are on the way on this sweet Monday. And enough love to you. Here, King O'Dane?
Respect and enough love, alright?
Bag of love.
Alright guys, so what's up? Alright, I'm not too clear with no only for driving video today though, because I mean the last Vlogmas episode that you guys would have watch us. Smile some mommy had all the way up by the bush. Clear out of the bush. Still a good at the bush. The man could think that I can't drive. I don't know what me I do all the way over this so. Oh god. So the last Vlogmas episode you see I will if I driving in there. I'm not gonna kill me with that today. Cause mega pan the road, mega ochi. Mega vlog phone, mega vlog phone. Yeah, what do you call it? So that is what's going to happen today. What do you call it? And from that, I'm not gonna take the bad road either. I feel like I want to take the highway. Hey boy, Freddy, go up by the center. My hell, hey, a piece of chuck up. Sure. I feel like I want to take the highway today. So I can't believe they shaking up in the whole business today, no. I'm not in it. So me I gotta take the highway. Yeah. So until then I'll speak with you guys. So alright, bye.
Safe journey.
What's that struggle? Thank you, miss.
December.
Guys, I don't know if you all can see, but there's a cruise ship down here. You see it? I'm not sure if you guys are going to get a better view. I wish I was getting probably I will. I think I'll be able to get a good view from passing out here. So basically I'm in Otrias, just not in the town as yet. Alright guys, see there? You guys are getting a better view. That's nice. That's nice. I mean, this is one of my birthday dreams, you know, to go on a cruise ship. Because I've never been on one. I've done so many things, but I've never been on one. So I'm going to heading down to the town now. So yeah. So I am now in Otrias. I went to park in NCB, but that the parking is too small and too close for this a big old car when I drive. So So I just nice reverse out. I'm gonna catch. Oh, I'm gonna park right there. But when I'm blocking somebody, I'm gonna catch my ass up the road. The bigger car than never hold on at this flat day. It would have been impossible. So, and the space then it got difficult. I can't be bothered. Not challenge myself no there. So I'm gonna do some lodgement and then I want to go to Pink, see if I get some material. So yeah, that's what's up. Alright guys, I am in Pablo's. Pablo's or Pink? One soft thing to match two. To match two things that I have. They are a bit tight and I want to alter them. So I need the material to fit it. To make sure. What, that sheet material? To fit it. To make sure that it can fit me. Because I can't go and just make up to fit it. Because we call it some stuff that I got from Shield. And them too small. Even if it's the same, maybe find something close to it. Our material can work. See, watch out, see all over the section, you know. You can look over there so to see what they have. So what's this? Yeah, probably all this thing could have put this in there. It's far, but it could have worked. Not true.
I put it to it.
No, they could have put it
Two sides, right?
in our side, yes. So probably this could work.
Yeah, I'll look for
To see. Because, you know, you buy something. Yeah, you know, you buy something and you just want it to work. That is me here. So, this gentleman is trying to help to see what he can find. Doesn't say not to be perfect. You just have to can somewhere close to. Ping is trying to. I'm a minute. Ping or Pablo's? Pablo's.
Ping.
Pablo's funny sitting out the door.
You know, like here.
Oh, so show me see one sign to Pablo's. I know all that one. Ping is keeping with the season because them have them Santa here, let it snow, and them have them snowman. Thanks to Odie, they have their snowman and they have their Christmas tree here. Yeah. So I got a material that will work. I think it will work. This one, you know, must certify that. And I got the blue one somewhere over there, so the guy gone for thing there to fix it. I wish I could make clothes. Oh my god, I really wish I could make clothes. Honestly, guys, when last time this is something for $1, one button, $1. One button, $1. You can't know say money not value between one button.
Look for you again. This candle.
One button, $1. So I got the material to do the adjustments to the outfit. We didn't open before?
Maybe before.
To do the adjustment. So what gonna happen now? I just say I can find one dressmaker. We can fix the outfit. So we can get them. Yeah. Fly. Yingy fly, summer fly, whatever you call them. Me Jesus. Me like them at them. How much you at them? Alright, me just ask. Then, our.
Come here.
Come here. Already, I'm ready to send me less than that, you know? Yeah. Give me a discount. What you care? Thank you. The man must have say you across the road and you're not give us the permission. You can't see on that girl? Oh God. So, because the Christmas has come, it's almost Christmas come. Watch it chuck up. Can you imagine if you come out? Can't go come out. Place I got chuck up. So we are currently heading to Burger King. Dinner day, yeah, dinner. Today on Monday. And Sunday, Monday, did the Odie and him. No one that. Alright guys, so I got the burger. Well, the only burger because baby cooked pork cancer yesterday. So I got a little burger, but I went large on my fries. Is this a large fry? Does it look clean? This is a large fry. I went large on my fries. What you want? My son gonna come out because she's going for people in care. Okay. No, the hamburger channel? Yeah, she made me fries. So, what is chuck up? What's it? Everywhere you turn one car try to come through. What's the car you go? Around there? I'm try to go through so she won't come through. The key there. What is chuck up people? You convince you selling donut today and you just like give this man the car the donut. Watch out. And it's still a buy.
Like you see money, how much money is.
I them look for money and can't find it. Watch out.
Yeah, I'll change the box.
On different box. Watch out. No, buy no? And him a try convince you to buy man. Buy. Oh, you make me change the box here, you know, buy. Where my take is it? Alright, watch out.
A fresh one. The one a fresh. I see it here.
I see it. Oh, lucky. You lucky da? I can't beat my
I want to show you look across his cranium and give me.
I'm glad they don't, you know. Yes. Ketchup of Fontana. Always nice Christmas decoration. Always. The decoration always popping. You see, probably I think that making you feel work when I'm pushing the car, but some people actually don't like that. The lights by Turco River Park. This I did not see them the other night, but today it's here. They have it right there, but it seems as if them only have it at the entrance free. May I see the entrance, but
maybe they don't put it.
oh, probably they don't finish. Okay, they have it right over there at the entrance. Try to see if it's in the rest of the park. Nope. So it's either they are not going to decorate the rest of the park, or as Odin said, them not finished put it up yet. So guys, I got back home and today I saw Anna in Mitty Thirst. I'm not sure. Mitty, everybody's supposed to know Mitty from YouTube. They own the Island Coffee. I saw Anna, her sister, in Otrius today. I mean, I've been seeing a lot of people, you know, like a lot of people from the YouTube community and all of them stuff there, or people related to them, but not like capture them in the video just for them come and say, hey, what's up? Because you know, sometimes it's just the time is not the best. Yeah, so I come and pull out, look at something on my ear, I go wrap my ear. I was just saying to myself though, you know, so I need to go back to the Tash who when I just started like college, who I was like before that. I was a person just up at everything, but when I started college, like my eyelash them always have an eyelash. My nails them always do up long nails, makeup got school every day. Like I was like a in school at girl. May I say that? But I know I was because a lot of people talk about like Tash. I know that I'm not doing that anymore. People like I wonder, is that the Tash that I know? Me need to do my ear. Me need to do my ear for the holiday. Me just want to finish do everything like. I'm not gonna sing on music. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna do that. I have 3 different sets of press-ons. I have one that is not finished that I was using before. So I have press-ons. All I'm gonna do is probably go to my tour. I think I'm gonna get my lashes done, I think. And I'm gonna do my hair. And me just can't find a wig. But me not verse none of them the life anymore. The wig, if I put it tag up on the road, but I come one, but that's why I'm cap it off. Like, that is who I am these days. Like, but can't bother with that 10 something. So yeah, alright. So you guys have seen the vlog for today, which is Vlogmas Day 6. I posted just now. I posted a video that I uploaded that I did for Black Friday. I bought a lot of stuff and I did it all and chit chat about little things and so you guys have seen that that's a substitute for the actual video that I made to go up, right? So this video is going to be Vlogmas Day 8. This video is going to be Vlogmas Day 8. Yeah, because today is day 6, so day 7 I had the one that will go up that was supposed to post today, which is Monday, and day 8 you guys will see this for day 8. This is a long video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys stay tuned for the Vlogmas Day 9. I am trying to think about some nice Christmas things to do. Yeah, so as the time progresses, I am trying to think about things to get you guys going, like, you know, if you really enjoy the video them and so I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Make sure if you watch Vlogmas Day 1, you need to watch day 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And by the time you hear this, you're supposed to reach just a click. If you're not subscribed, you subscribe after you're watching day 8, or you just have to click the like button after you just done watch Vlogmas Day 8 video. Okay, so I'll see you guys in day 9. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.